To factory reset the Z Flip 6 without pattern, password or PIN, we first need to connect the phone to a computer or an Android. This is a necessary step. I will now show you a key combination, then we will do it together. So we're going to press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds, then release. We then press and hold power and volume up until we see the Samsung logo show for a second, and then we release. So pause the video, prepare your phone, and I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down, do not release. I'll start counting now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up and wait for the Samsung logo to show. We are entering recovery mode. If this works first try, great. If not, try a couple of times. If still not working, it's your cable. Swap out your cable. It needs to support the data transfer. So when we see the Samsung logo, it's shown for a second. We will now release and we should be entered into the recovery mode. So the touchscreen doesn't work, which means we need to use volume down and up to navigate. And you click the power button to select. So click volume down until you see the wipe data option. Then click the power button. Then click volume down and click the power button to do the factory data reset. It will bring you to this previous screen. Click the power button to reboot the system and it will now factory reset.